How to log in Roll Your Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in Lower Your Career. Logging in Lower Your Career is quite easy. So without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser and launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Lower Your Career portal. Type Lower Your Career into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Look at the login option. Once you are on the Lower Your Career homepage, find the login or sign in option. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your username or email address and your password. Input the username or email address linked to your Lower Your Career account in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Click on Login button. After entering your credential, click on Login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a one-time verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credential you provided are correct, you will be logged into Lower Your Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have successfully logged into your account. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.